And oh my god, look at me. I look like all full of this cream. This cream is a numbing cream, lidocaine. Today I have the privilege to be in the office of Nurse Perfect Partition Roderick. He is an amazing person when it comes to all cosmetic procedures. He takes care of me in a lot of things such as fillers, Botox, etc., etc. Not that I've done it, but he does all those works, and today he wants to practice what's called microneedling. Microneedling, and it's hard to speak right now because I've been here for a while with the numbing cream, so then my lips and everything starts getting numb, which is normal because he's gonna go with this pen. Look, I'm gonna steal it. Microneedling. So what it is, and it has all this tiny little needles, and it performs your skin, stimulating all the collagen, and it also gets rid of all the scarring if you have level scarring, such as, for example, I've had some little scars from the hormones and everything like that. That machine will actually take care of it. Roderick is amazing. You can trust him. He actually works in Fort Lauderdale. If you guys are interested or live around here, even the drive is worth coming over here. The skin, you guys are gonna see the before and the after. This is the before. I don't know if you guys can see the little scarring that I have over here. He's gonna go through that with the pen, and then I'll show you guys the after. He's amazing. Roderick, just come over here. I'll post eventually the whole information of where it's located, the telephone number, and how you can get a hold of him. And you guys can have a perfect porcelain, gorgeous skin. If you guys have asked me, how do you get your skin to work like that? You come and you visit him. So stay tuned. So we're working on the procedure. If you guys are wondering if it hurts, it doesn't hurt. My face is numb. And he's also putting some oils, vitamin E, into it, so when the needles go inside your skin, then it motivates all the collagen and everything. So far so good. So for you out there, if you're wondering if it hurts, it doesn't. So, we're still working on the skin. It's like kind of getting a facial with needles. You don't feel anything, so stay tuned. The before and after. Roderick, I love you. Making me gorgeous. Turning back the clock from 25 to 15. So I know it looks scary because it's kind of bloody, but we're almost done. He's doing the whole face around, and like I said, this little machine right there, it goes into your skin just pretty much like that. He's putting oil. That's vitamin E and everything, so it stimulates and it injects vitamin E and stimulates all the skin surface to kind of burn the top of it and then get rid of all the fine lines, like right there. So stay tuned, the before and after. Well, so we are pretty much done with the whole procedure. It took about 30 minutes. I'm still numb. You get a little bit of watery eyes, of course, because of the needles going through your face. Like I said, the whole needles first resurface the skin. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean up the skin and get rid of like the blood that it was kind of, you know, open pores. The procedure kind of, like I said, takes 30 minutes, and then it takes few days, 2 to 3 days, and you look like you're sunburned. You gotta apply a lot of sunblock and lubricant, so like Vaseline. But as you can see, it turns the skin red, stimulating all collagen and everything, and the skin will probably, you know, not probably, the idea is that it renews the top skin, the top layer of your skin, going into your derm and getting rid of all that and making you gorgeous. So stay tuned, the before and after. Only here with my baby Roderick. He doesn't want to be seen, but you guys we'll have all the information eventually. Hi guys, it's me. This morning, it's been about 12 hours after I got my micro needling rejuvenation at Roderick's office. Posting the progress. It's a little white. My skin looks white because you gotta wear a lot of sunscreen. Remember, that whole process opened up your skin, so you want to avoid all sun exposure. And so I'm giving you my 12-hour after procedure follow-up. It doesn't hurt, doesn't feel much like when you went to the beach and you kind of got a little sunburn, but and it kind of looks like that, you know, you guys can see it, like, you know, just like that, but it's not bad. So I'll keep you posted later on and give you some follow-up as how I feel either tonight or tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Vinna, again, and as I said, I wanted to show you the follow-up after I performed the beauty procedure with the Rejuvapen at Roderick's. Therefore, this has been 24 hours, and I just want to show you. There is still some redness. It's turning into like a scab, which is where they kind of burn the skin off, and then it comes off, and then you have brand new skin. So collagen, beauty, and all that comes up. So I just wanted to keep you posted, and I will follow up later tonight, and if not, tomorrow. Staying home, not going out in the sun, you can, but this is what I look like on day 1 from recuperation. Hi everyone, it's me, Vinna, and here's the follow-up. Yesterday I couldn't take a picture, but it was pretty much equal. Yesterday is when I started flaking from the procedure, so I just wanted to follow up. It's gonna be almost a week Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so this is what it's starting to look like. It's obviously, you guys can see the stains are what's taking harder to disappear, but it's what went deeper. But the other areas, actually, they're pretty clear, smooth. I started to exfoliate the skin because you can see all the dead skin coming off. So I exfoliate when I take a shower, as I just did today. So there you have it, guys. That's what's going on. As you can tell, there's still, you know, areas where it has to come off. You still have to clear up. So that's the follow-up on Sunday. So Tuesday will be a week, and hopefully everything will be gone. I'll keep you posted. Don't forget to follow me. Hi everyone, it's me again, Vinna, in final video, so you guys can see the results of our pen cell rejuvenation with Roderick. You did an amazing job. I totally recommend it. Of course, this is a slightly process that it takes time, so he recommended to do it several times. As you can tell, my skin is brighter. If you take a close look, it's a lot lighter than it was before. There's still very, very tiny little things, but my skin looks fresh. I look, this is no makeup, which I love really, really, really much. Your skin is tightened, your pores are minimized in a very, very big, you know, area of my face that I had them enlarged. I would definitely do it again so I can have that porcelain skin that we all look for. So once again, my name is Vinna Rouge. I totally recommend this pen. It's amazing, it's wonderful, and please go look for the information that I've attached so you guys can have this procedure done by the one and the only Roderick. I love you very much. You guys follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram under Vinna Rouge. Perfect skin, which I love. Recommend it totally very much. You guys can see it. No wrinkles in here, no wrinkles in here, and I will not tell you my age. Love you guys to death, and take care of your skin, your body, your soul, and your health.